Hello everyone, my name is Arya and I am from Kerala. Today I am going to make a dessert. So before moving to the recipe, I would like to thank Febina Group for conducting a great competition like this. This is a very delicious and yummy dessert. It is actually made with vermicelli and coconut. Also cocoa powder is added. So only few ingredients are there. Okay, in this pan we are gonna roast vermicelli. So this is actually a roasted vermicelli, but we have to roast it again with butter. Just 3 minutes we have to saute. 2 tablespoons of butter. I have used unsalted butter. We have to saute it well for 3 minutes at least. It's almost 3 minutes. It is toasted well. Make sure that the flame is on low to medium level. Don't roast it on high flame. So yeah, it's ready. We can add rest of the ingredients. Okay. So to this, we are going to add 2 cups of coconut. Desiccated coconut you can choose. This also we have to saute it for 3 minutes at least. If you want, you can add more butter, but 2 tablespoons is enough. So it's up to you. You can choose accordingly. We have to mix it well. I have used unsalted butter. So if you want, you can use salted butter. For balancing the sugar, anyways, I am adding a pinch of salt. Okay. Okay, now it's almost roasted. If you want, you can roast it separately. Vermicelli and coconut separately, you can roast and mix together. It's ready. So now we are going to add sugar. We have to sort it well. Same time we can add cashew nuts. You can add almond, peanuts, any dry fruit. It's up to you. I forgot to tell, it's actually a roasted cashew nuts, okay? So now we have to add cocoa powder, but make sure that you sieve it well before adding it. Okay? Just one time sieving is enough. Okay, so let's mix it well. We can turn off the flame. Okay, let's keep this outside on room temperature for 5 minutes. After that, we can grind it well. Okay? It's almost cool now, so we can grind it. Don't grind it together. Make it 2-3 portions. Then we can grind. Grind it well, okay? Okay, now it's ready. You can see it's almost like mud. The texture is just like mud. I'm just transferring it to a bowl. This is actually my own recipe. So when I tried it for the first time, I thought it's a flop because the whole thing looked very dry. But when I tasted, it just melted in my mouth, and the taste and the feel was just wow. So what I suggest is, even you can have it alone, like a dry thing, a dry mud like thing, or you can have it along with a topping. A topping can be whipping cream or an ice cream. A tender coconut flavored whipping cream I have used here. You can also go for vanilla ice cream or tender coconut ice cream or any flavors of your choice. So here what I've done is I've added 1 spoon of tender coconut paste in the whipping cream and whipped again. So it tasted exactly like a tender coconut ice cream. You can impress your guest, okay? You can make it within 10 minutes, and also the taste is different. Taste and texture is very much different than the normal dessert. So do try it. For decorating, I'm putting one cherry on top. So it's ready now, you can have it. So I think you really like my video. If you really like it, do support me by liking this video. Thank you.